At first, I'm going to show you the TicTacToe working. At first, I'm going to play as X, and the AI is going to play as O. In this game, I'm going to try to beat the AI. As we can see, the AI is not gonna let me. And the best score I could have is a tie. In this second example, I'm going to play as X again. But now I'm going to let the AI beat me. As we can see, if we don't make the right moves, the AI is going to try to beat us. In this example, I'm going to play as O, and the AI is going to play as X. In this first example, I'm going to try to beat the AI, but as we all know, the AI is not gonna let me again. And for the last implementation, for the last game, I'm going to choose play as O again. But in this one, I'm going to let the AI win me. As we can see, either here or here, I'm going to lose. And the game ends with X winning. Well, this is all the possibilities we have in this game. And they are two, the AI wins or we tie.